In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale Webflow CMS to 100 plus pages with AI and MCP. Open Claude in your browser. If you are not already signed in, sign in to your account. Once you are in the main workspace, go to the left sidebar and click New Chat to start with a clean conversation. Now move down to the bottom left area near the chat input and click the plus icon. A small menu will open. In that menu, click Connectors. Then click Browse Connectors. At the top, you will see a search box. Click into that box and type Webflow. Wait for the Webflow connector tile to appear. Then click the Webflow tile. In the top right of that tile, click Connect. This opens the Webflow authorization page in a new tab. If Webflow asks you to sign in to your Webflow account first. After that, you will land on the Select Workspaces and Sites screen. Find the workspace that contains your test site and select that workspace. Then tick the checkbox for your test site. After the correct site is selected, go to the bottom of the page and click Authorize App. When Webflow confirms that the connector was connected, close that tab and return to the Claude tab. Back in Claude, go to the left side panel and click the Customize button, the one with the toolbox icon. Inside Customize, click Connectors, then click Webflow. You now need to set the permission behavior. Find the drop-down beside the Read-Only Tools section and set it to Always Allow. Then look below at the Write Update Delete Tools section. Leave that section on its default setting, which is Needs Approval. This keeps each create action reviewable before it runs. Next, create another fresh chat. On the left side panel, click the plus button to open a new chat. Click into the message field and enter the prompt that tells Claude which CMS collection to use and how many items to create. If you are using the prepared prompt from the pinned comment, paste that prompt here. Give the narration room to match the on-screen action as the text is entered or pasted, then review the message in the input field. When the prompt is ready, press Enter to send it. Claude will begin calling Webflow tools one by one. As those calls appear, each write action will show an approval card. The card includes the tool name and the data that is about to be sent to Webflow. When the first create call appears, click Allow once. This approves only that single instance. After the next create calls begin appearing, click Allow Always for this chat one time. Once that is enabled, Claude will stop asking for each individual approval and will continue batching through the rest of the creation process automatically. Now wait while Claude loops through the collection and submits each item. As the calls complete, you will see each tool action resolve with a green check mark. In the response area, you will also see a new item ID returned for each successful create call. Stay on the screen until Claude finishes the full run. At the end, Claude will post a summary message confirming how many items were created in the selected collection. Once the batch is complete, switch over to your Webflow Designer tab. In the left toolbar, click the CMS icon. This opens your Collections panel. In the list of collections, click Blog Posts. When the Blog Posts collection opens, scroll through the items list. You should now see the 10 newly created items that Claude just added. As you move through the list, confirm that each item has its own unique name, category, and publish date. At this point, the core setup and creation flow is done. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. What you have completed here is the full mechanism for scaling this workflow. The blog post collection now contains 10 fresh items created from a single Claude prompt through the Webflow connector. The process works the same way when you want to go bigger. Using the same prompt pattern, you can ask Claude to create 100 more blog posts following the same format, and it will continue looping the same MCP tool call structure to fill the collection. That is the system behind scaling a Webflow site to 100 plus pages with AI and MCP.